welcome to Coding Marshall. So here today we are going to solve one simple problem. So there, as a part of you are supposed to write a function where you need to identify the missing number. So you will be given an array, which is an unsorted one, which will contain numbers from 1 to n. Okay, and also n number will be provided to you. So suppose let's assume the input array is something of this sort: 1 2 5 4 3. Okay, and what has happened, by mistake one of the number is replaced with 0. So let's assume in this case this 3 is replaced with 0. So it's an unsorted array, so you need to identify this number which is missing, which is by mistakenly replaced with 0. So one of the naive way for this is to just to check each and every number. So from 1 to 5, for 1, check does it exist within this array or not. 2, check does it exist within this array or not, something of that sort. But in that case you will be iterating through this array multiple times. So if the size of this array is huge, then it's not a good solution. So to find an efficient way, so we can make use of one of the mathematical formula. So there is one formula just to identify the addition of all the numbers from 1 to n. So it's the formula is n into n plus 1 by 2 divided by 2. So this formula gives us to the addition of numbers from 1 to 5 or whatever number n can be. Okay, so what we can do, we can just simply iterate through this array once. Okay, then going through this array we will just add all those numbers, get an actual sum, and through this formula we can get the expected sum, and the difference within those will give us the missing number which is replaced with 0. So let's see this solution in action. So over here you can see we have written one function get missing number. So over here we are accepting an array and a number n. So expected sum is going to be n into n plus 1 by 2, and actual sum we will be calculating by just iterating through this array once. Okay, here I am just adding those numbers, and our result will be expected sum minus actual sum. So over here you can see this is the array that I am passing over here. So one of the number is getting replaced by 0. Right now I don't know what that number is. Okay, so let me just run the application. Okay, the number is 5. Let me show you one more example. So let's replace 8 with 0. Let me just run it. Missing number is it. So by just iterating through this array only once, you are identifying the missing number. Thank you so much.